Life begins with one cell, the fertilized egg, that grows to a human being with over 30 trillion cells. What are the instructions that allow you to become you? Let's zoom in to one cell of your body. Cells have a long molecule called DNA, which is the genetic material that's passed along from parents to offspring. If you stretched out the DNA from just one cell of your body, it would be 2 meters in length, about as tall as you are. Along this long strand of DNA are specific segments that hold instructions that tell your cells what they're supposed to do. These segments are called genes. Now, let's zoom in and see what a gene is made of. The gene is a sequence of 4 chemicals called nucleotide bases, abbreviated as A, T, G, and C. The sequence of chemicals contains information to make a functional product, usually a protein or sometimes a functional RNA molecule. Some of these products are like tools or building blocks that help to build structures of the cells. Others carry out chemical reactions, like an industrial factory. A human cell has a lot of genes, about 20,000, each producing a unique product. Some are used in all cells of your body. However, some genes are turned on only in certain cells, such as just your muscle cells or just your brain cells, and are turned off in others. And some are only used at certain times, for example, just when you're an embryo. Thus, genes not only contain information on what kind of product to make, but also instruct when and where to make it. When a gene is turned on, it can also regulate how much of the product should be produced, like a dimmer switch. The amazing thing about genes is that they are incredibly adaptable. They are not rigid instruction manuals, but can turn on or off depending on what you're doing. For example, when you exercise, different genes turn on or off, allowing you to build more muscle. How do 20,000 genes turning on and off and making different products give rise to a living, thinking, breathing being as interesting as you? That is a mystery that scientists are still trying to understand.